residing in Noida purchase 4,000 markers at rupees 20 each from Anika and Stationery wholesalers at Delhi. Mr. X's sister, working as manager in Anika and Stationery. Okay, Mr. X, his sister is working in Anika. Now tell me, will there be a fair price will be charged to Mr. X?
No,
What?
sir.
No, I took the Malini case. The same thing has come. Open market value. That means if Anika Stationery had sold the markers in the open market, they would have charged 23. Since Mr. X's sister is working in Anika, they charging at 20. Okay. Anika and Stationery additionally charge rupees 15,000 for transporting markers to Mr. X business place. That means whatever the additional consideration is there, you have to take that one also. 40,000 into 20, whatever is there, plus 15,000, this one. Now you need to apply few logics. As Anika is selling to Mr. X sister, and thereby Mr. X sisters is selling, giving back to Mr. X. In that case, there is a impact on the profit. Okay, these kind of transaction, Mr. X and the Anika, these two are not related. There is a definition of what the related persons. Okay, hence the reduction in price by rupees 3 per marker is not to be added back. Why? Because Mr. X and Anika are not related persons. The same thing they have explained here. This is one of the cases. We will going to see like this many things, many cases. Okay. Inclusions. Valuation inclusions. In inclusions, we need to do additions of these topics. Topics means taxes levied, whatever the taxes levied by other than government. Whatever the taxes levied by other than the government, those taxes you need to include. Other than the government or GST. Other than the GST, whatever the taxes is there, you need to add all those taxes. Okay. Second one, obligation of supplier met by recipient. Obligation of the supplier met by recipient. In my case, I told you 5,000 crores, 100 crores. He charges 100 to you. In turn, 4,900 will be paid to his customers. It is the obligation of the supplier. You are meeting. What is the value? 4,900 crores. Add back to your invoice value 4,900 crores. Obligation. Okay. Acting. whatever the extra packing, you do on the request of the customers, value of that packing should also be included in the valuation topic. Okay. Interest. What are the other things? I comes. Interest. Incidental charges. Sorry. Incidental charges. Any other incidental charges, like in this case, this 15,000 transportation, that is incidental charges. You need to add back that also. C, commission, etc. Other than GST only, commission, etc. Whatever the commission which you have paid, you have to add back that commission with respect to that supply. Subsidy. Subsidy received other than government subsidy. Whatever the subsidy you receive other than the government subsidy, you need to add back. Example, if any NGO gives you the subsidy, you need to add back that subsidy. To whom? Supplier. Okay, there are many, subsidies will be given by government to the business entities. Like, if you set up the industry here, I will give you land. If you set up the industry here, and if you employ certain employees here, certain number of workers in this area, I will give you power subsidy. If government is giving, don't add. If other than government means state government, central government, local authority, everything will comes under that government. Okay, if any person, assume that you make a supply to that person, I will give you 20% of the amount and you will charge only 80% to him. The balance 20% I will take the burden of paying you. In that case, that 20% also you need to include in your value of supply. What are all the things you need to add? Topics. What is meant by topics? T means what? T means what? Taxes levied other than GST. Sir, where is there, sir, other than GST? Excise duty is still there. Excise duty is still there. Customs still there. VAT still there. You need to add all those things if it is those kind of supplies. Okay. Obligation of the supplier met by recipient. I told you, 4,900 case, that case. Packing, other than normal or ordinary packing, durable and returnable packing, other than those things, if there is any other packing, the value of that packing need to be added. Sir, give me one example. How the gas will come to your house? Gas. Cooking gas. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್? ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್? Cylinder. Is that cylinder is packed? Gas packed in cylinder? Yes. Yes. That is normal packing. Returnable packing. You return the cylinder and you get the another one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If means you are a dealer. If you request the supplier of the cylinders to have one more cylinder on that, one more cylinder fully packed, that additional packing does the supplier, value of that will also be included as value of supply. Are you guys getting? Have you guys gone to market without bag? They charge the bag. They charge for the bags. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is additional packing kind of a thing. Incidental charges, transportation and others. Commission I explained. Subsidy also I explained. All these things should form part of your main value of supply. How to remember? Topics. This is inclusion. T. Third party obligation. P. Packing. I. Incidental expenses. P. Penalty, packing. I. Interest, late fee. Subsidies other than government subsidies. I. Incidental charges. Interest, late fee or penalty is another EI. C. Commission and other costs. Yes. Subsidy and other than government subsidy. Taxes other than GST. Whatever there is there, you need to add. Okay.
So what is the meaning of this not being buying commission?
You appoint your agent to buy the goods from the supplier.
Okay.
You will pay him the commission, not the supplier is paying the commission to him. That means for your value of goods you are paying, but there is no value reduction from the supplier. That buying commission should not include. If that person pays the commission to him, that becomes the selling commission. That has to be included in the value. Okay. Late fee, interest and penalty will always be inclusive of GST. Inclusive. Okay. What is inclusive? inclusive means assume value is 1000. If it is rate of supply is tax is 12. This is inclusive. This is exclusive. This 1120 is inclusive of GST. 1120 at 12%. This 1000 is the base price exclusive of GST. Okay. Now tell me, if the value of supply is 15,000, tell me what is the GST value included in this? In this, what is the GST value is included? If it is inclusive of GST of 12%, how much GST is included here in 1120? Because we know we calculated. They will give this one and this one like this. How to arrive at the 120 rupees in this case? The same logic apply here also for 15,000.
Divided by 112.
15,000 into 12 divided by 100 plus 12. Whatever the rate is then you need to add that rate to 100. It becomes 1607. Okay. If you deduct this minus this, if you apply on this 1339 12%, you will get 1607. This is exclusive, this is inclusive, this is GST. Always you need to apply on the exclusive. If value is inclusive, you have to convert that into exclusive. Understood, guys? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is it too much? Okay, please remember this one. Interest, late fee and penalty will always be inclusive of GST. How? Assume that you have supplied to me something and you are I supposed to pay you within 10 days. Assume you have mentioned that one in the invoice. Pay the amount within invoice amount within 10 days from the invoice date. I will pay after 25 days. You will also mention, if you pay after 10 days, you will have to pay 10,000 rupees as penalty. Okay, I will pay 10,000. Will you expect me to pay GST on the 10,000 also? That paying 10,000 is the biggest thing. First one, on the GST, it is most remote chance that anyone pays the GST. Hence, it will always be whatever the amount you receives, that will be inclusive of GST. Now the question arises, what is the GST rate to be applied on that? The rate of GST will be the principal supply what is there. For that rate you have to apply on that interest. There are many things, right?